Hi everybody, it's your girl JillyV. Thank you for coming back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial or review, whatever you may want to call it, on the new cosmetic line from Selena Gomez called Rare Beauty. Don't forget to like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe so that you can see some of the new videos that I'm going to be posting. If you have any ideas, please leave a comment down below. And yeah, let's get started. And you can hydrate, prime, and it sets and it refreshes your face. So I already did that. I already put on some moisturizer, and now I'm gonna go in with her primer. Always an Optimist Illuminating Primer, that's what it's called. A weightless universal gel primer enriched with ultra fine pearls for a lit from within glow. So it's a pump applicator. I'm just gonna go with a little bit because I don't know if I need more. I'm gonna go in with the Liquid Touch Weightless Foundation in 180W, which is this one. I already shook it, and now I'm gonna apply it. And it is a doe applicator, and I'm just gonna put it where I am going to apply the foundation. Oh. Okay, I might have to put some more. Let's just go see. So I'm gonna use the sponge that comes with her line. So I'm going to go and start, I guess, dabbing this into my face. I might want to put a little bit more, but for right now, I think that's fine. Liquid Touch Brightening Concealer, and I got the same number, 180W, just because from what the girl told me, it's really recommended that you buy them in sets, as far as like the same number with the foundation. So again, it is a doe applicator, but it's a little bit more of a curved instead of a flat. So I'm just gonna do that. And then let's go this way. I'm gonna go in with the skinnier side. Ooh, okay. I like. All right, so I'm gonna go in with the blush, and this one is called the Soft Peach Pinch Dewy Liquid Blush, and this one is in Happy. This one's a pink tone. The one that I wanted was not available, so this was the next one that I, thought I would do. So I'm only gonna put just a little bit because apparently it is very pigmented. So go with your it definitely is pigmented. Probably one what do you call that? I'm gonna try to blend this in with the foundation. One drop would have been fine. Okay. I'm gonna go back. Tone it down a little bit. Okay, so the more you work with it, the better it looks. Okay, but I'm feeling that this right here is like sunken in. So should I put some more concealer on? Let's see. Okay. I think that's a lot better. And then I am definitely gonna set it with some type of powder. Much better. Jesus. Okay. I was definitely not liking the way that was looking, but now it looks a lot better, I feel. All right, I'm just gonna grab a fluffy brush and my ear spun just to set this right here. Okay. Much better. Okay. All right, let's go in with the highlighter. So this is called the Positive Light Liquid Luminizer. And the one that I got was called Enlightened. Okay. So again, this is going to be just wiping off the excess. I'm gonna go on this side first. And then I'm gonna go with the round part. Can't really see it. Let's see. Okay, there. You guys see it? Okay, so I put some on the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, and on my chin. Interesting. Okay. What do you think? Yeah? Yes? I don't know. Okay. Next, I'm going to go back with that blush, and I'm going to use it as a eyeshadow. Let's see. All right, let's go in with the blending brush. And this I saw somebody else do. What's her name? Nicole Chiacolo or something like that. And I thought it actually looked very well on her. So I'm just gonna try it because there isn't any eyeshadows in this line yet. I did see that there's 2 palettes coming out sometime in the future, but you know, only influencers and beauty gurus get those PR boxes, so obviously, you know, they have the goods and we have to wait. But I did like the way that this looked when she was able to do it on herself. Now I'm going to apply mascara. I'm gonna go in with my Falsies Lash Lift. Okay, one thing to take note is I'm looking at my eyes and they are creasing, but obviously that's gonna happen when you have a cream base as an eyeshadow. So you might want to set that as well with maybe a powder, eyeshadow powder that's similar to the color. Now I'm gonna go in with my Brow Fast Sculpt and just fill in my eyebrows and set them with this brown gel, eyebrow gel. Okay, and then now, last but not least, it is the Lip Souffle Matte Lip Cream. And this one is in, what is this one? Heroic. So it's a pink shade. I was trying to buy the red one just because red is my favorite lip color ever. But hey, you gotta do with what's available, right? So again, it's like a nice applicator. It does feel like velvety smooth. I like the way the lipstick feels. I actually don't like the applicator itself. I don't know why. I think the way that it is, it's very round on top, and I can't really get like the crisp lines that I'm used to when lining my lips. So whenever I use lip colors, like liquid lip colors, I don't use liners. But I feel that for this, I would have to use a liner, and that's just an extra step that I don't like. So, okay, so this is pretty much it. Sorry, this is my little wrap so that my hair doesn't get in my face, but still, this is the final look. I think it is nice for those people who really like coverage. I myself, I feel like I need a little bit just more coverage, and maybe you can just you know, apply more, you know, like another what do you call that, a second layer or something like that on top, or just build up the color to like what you like, your preference. But I mean, I think it's very pretty, you know, very gloss, what is it called, the highlighty, illuminating, dewy type of look. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Like I said, share with your friends and subscribe for any future videos. And if you have any ideas, leave in the bottom in the comments. And hope to see you guys soon. Bye.